The Opel Mokka I from 2012 to 2019 features electric folding side mirrors. These mirrors automatically fold inward and outward, helping with tight parking situations and preventing damage. This video explains how to operate them. These mirrors are now reliant on original hardware, and owners rely on third-party or DIY repairs. The electric folding mirror function is controlled by a dedicated button located on the driver's door panel. The button is typically marked with a mirror folding icon. Some higher trims may have this function accessible via the touchscreen infotainment system. To unfold the mirrors to their normal position, press the Fold button again. The mirrors will extend outward, taking about 2 to 5 seconds with a soft whirring sound. The mirrors automatically extend outward to their normal driving position. This process is smooth and protects the electric motor. While manual unfolding is possible, it's not recommended as it can strain the electric motor and potentially cause damage. Always use the button for proper operation. The mirrors automatically fold inward when the vehicle is locked using the remote key fob. They automatically unfold when the vehicle is unlocked or when starting the engine. This feature is integrated with the vehicle's central locking system for added convenience. Safety considerations are built into the electric folding mirror system. The design prevents accidental folding while driving to ensure driver safety. The electric folding function is automatically disabled when the vehicle exceeds speeds of 5 to 10 kilometers per hour. Power consumption is minimal, as the mirrors draw from the vehicle's auxiliary circuits, ensuring they don't drain the main battery. If the electric folding system fails, such as due to a blown fuse, the mirrors can still be adjusted manually, though they won't fold electrically. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the mirrors. If a fuse is blown, replace it to potentially restore electric folding. Forums indicate that after 10 to 15 years, the electric motors or hinges may fail, requiring repair or replacement. Replacing the relay in the body control module may help resolve issues with the electric folding system. The electric folding mirrors on the Opel Mokka I are generally reliable but considered outdated compared to newer models that offer improved durability and additional features. Failures can occur after about 100,000 kilometers, often due to moisture ingress in the electric motors, which can cause corrosion and malfunction. To improve durability, consider enhancements to the sealing around the motors to prevent moisture damage. Retrofitting with aftermarket kits is possible, allowing you to add enhanced features like LED indicators or better waterproofing. Regular maintenance and timely upgrades can extend the longevity of these mirrors, keeping your Opel Mokka I's convenience features working effectively.